If you're experiencing a server timeout error on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the timeout. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation 5. Power off your PS5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. After it shuts down, unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset the connection. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection on your PS5. This will check if your console is connected to the internet and if the connection is stable. If there are issues, consider resetting your router or modem. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Navigate to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type Wi-Fi or LAN, then select Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to use Google's DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.84.4 for potentially improved connectivity. Step 5. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 and boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This can help fix any corrupted data that may be causing the timeout error. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.